world's elite athletes pushing the limits of human performance. But behind the scene, many face a hidden challenge: asthma. Yet, amid the struggle, they find strength and resilience. But there is more to their success than meets the eye. Introducing a game-changing habit: personalized asthma management. By understanding their triggers and their individual treatment plans, athletes with asthma can proactively manage their condition and optimize their performance. Together, we breathe easier, because with the right support and tailored strategies, nothing can hold us back.